Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 10 Signs. It's time for a cognitive assessment. Ever since President Joe Biden's June debate with Donald Trump, many Americans have wondered if his halting gait, slow responses, and difficulty staying on topic might indicate cognitive decline. /r/n/r/n Experts say it can be hard to distinguish cognitive decline from normal slowing due to aging. However, neurologists and psychologists can help determine this through in-person assessments based on questions and lab tests. /r/n/r/n It may be nothing at all, it may be a treatable condition such as an infection, or it could be early signs of dementia or Alzheimer's disease. Jason Krellman, PhD, a neuropsychologist at Columbia University Irving Medical Center in New York, told Verywell. /r/n/r/n A condition like urinary tract infection, UTI, or ministroke can also lead to memory impairment or confusion in older adults, but proper treatment can often resolve these cognitive issues. /r/n/r/n Krellman said it's important to speak to your doctor if you're worried about cognitive function in yourself or a loved one. A healthcare provider can conduct a cognitive assessment. /r/n/r/n Memory loss that disrupts daily life could be a symptom of dementia or Alzheimer's disease, saidMaria C. Carrillo, PhD, Alzheimer's Association Chief Science Officer and Medical Affairs Lead. /r/n/r/n Some memory changes can be a normal part of the aging process, but when changes start to interfere with daily living or stray drastically from the person's normal behavior, it's best to get it checked, Carrillo told Verywell. /r/n/r/n These are the 10 warning signs of Alzheimer's disease or dementia that warrant a discussion with your doctor, according to the Alzheimer's Association. /r/n/r/n Now more than ever, early detection and diagnosis of Alzheimer's and other dementia is critically important, Carrillo said. There are now FDA-approved treatments targeting the early stages of Alzheimer's, and more are in development. Early and accurate diagnosis will help determine eligibility for current and future treatments. /r/n/r/n When it comes to testing for cognitive decline, many people start by contacting their primary care physician about their memory or thinking concerns, and primary care doctors often oversee the diagnostic process themselves, Carrillo told Verywell. /r/n/r/n Your doctor will evaluate your overall health and identify any conditions that could affect how well your brain is working. When talking to your primary care physician about cognitive problems, ask how familiar they are with diagnosing dementia and whether there are circumstances in which they would refer you to a specialist. /r/n/r/n A specialist, such as a neurologist, can evaluate memory and thinking issues and diagnose dementia. Some people with unclear symptoms, including those under age 65, may require evaluation by 2 or more specialists who combine their findings to reach a diagnosis. These might include a psychiatrist, psychologist, or geriatrician. /r/n/r/n Carrillo said there is no single test that can determine if a person is living with Alzheimer's or dementia. Physicians use physical assessments, diagnostic tools, and medical history to make an assessment. This can include /r/n/r/n if you or a loved one are experiencing signs of cognitive impairment, such as memory loss or difficulty completing daily tasks. It's important to consult a healthcare provider. Early assessment and diagnosis can lead to better management of symptoms and access to treatments. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.